Are you like me and planning a kitchen remodel? Well, you've come to the right place because I've been obsessing over luxury kitchen designs, trying to find the very best kitchen upgrades that are both beautiful as well as practical. That's why today I'm bringing you 10 secret kitchen upgrades that only luxury designers know. And I found these secret kitchen upgrades from searching places like Instagram and TikTok, as well as looking at major design publications such as Architectural Digest and Elle Decor. Oh, and one of these upgrades got over 3 million views on Instagram. And I'm gonna promise you, it's not what you think. These are not the same boring kitchen advice, put a pot filler above the stove or have a marble backsplash. I can promise you, you haven't seen a lot of these kitchen upgrades before. Let's get right into it. Let's start small with a little secret that designers use that's going to make a huge difference. We all have this issue, or pretty much all of us. It's where do you put your sponge? So a lot of us just leave your sponge lying in the sink, or maybe you have a little holder like I do. Maybe you leave it on the countertop, but where do you put your little sponge? If you leave it out, it can look cluttered, but there is a designer trick that you can use to hide your sponge, and I thought it was absolutely brilliant. And this is gonna be a secret sponge storage. So I saw this from the kitchen guy on Instagram, and basically it is a little pull-out that pops out of the side of your sink that you can actually store your sponge in. And this is really key to getting that luxury look to your home, hiding all those little details that you don't really want people to see. So this built-in little hidden tilt-out drawer can hide things like your scrubber, or maybe a little brush, or even some cleaning supplies or a bottle brush. And I really love how it's built into the kitchen and integrated into that sink. And it helps keep your sink and your kitchen clean and uncluttered and very minimalist at all times. And if designers are willing to go to this level of detail to hide something small like a sponge, wait till you see this next one. So we're gonna stay right near the sink, and this is where kitchens can either feel very chaotic or very calm. And I'm talking about your drying rack. So we put a rack here, and sometimes I have a mat here because we have so many dishes to dry, and it can look cluttered and cheap having this little stainless steel drying rack. But you gotta put your dishes somewhere to dry, right? So that's when I saw on Elle Decor and Dwell magazine, they had some really cool European kitchens where I loved this idea of an integrated countertop drying rack. So instead of a bulky dish drying rack like this, it's actually built into the countertop, and sometimes it's a compartment that's built into the countertop, so it's sunken, and that way you can actually put your dishes right in there and it sinks down into the countertop so it's not standing up on your countertop. There's also, you can get a countertop that actually has grooves in it that slope down into your sink. That's another option too. But I really like the ones that are actually built into the countertop because it really helps reduce the visual clutter, and it's sunken down so it's not as noticeable when you do have dishes drying in there. And this is the point where you start to realize that a lot of these luxury kitchens, it's not about being flashy. They're about making everyday tasks look effortless. All right, now we're gonna get into some of the upgrades that are seriously impressive. So I have been seeing this special door that they use in luxury kitchens. And my husband would absolutely love to have this in our kitchen. You know how when you're cooking, you wanna have access to your spices, your oils, your salts and stuff like that. We have them here on a shelf. What I have seen in some of these luxury kitchens is that they have a guillotine door that's a drop-down door that actually drops down, and all of your kitchen spices, all of your oils are hidden behind that door. So while you're cooking, you can have the door open and have access to all your stuff. And then when you're all done, you can close the door and it looks just like the rest of your backsplash or cabinetry. These are often found near the stove, but they're also found in other areas. And these guillotine doors can actually hide things like your small appliances. This isn't meant for just like your fancy plates or maybe your mixer. This is meant for things that you use every day to keep them hidden, but also available and there for you whenever you need them. And if you think that's over the top, you gotta watch this next one. But first, my name is Carrie. I'm a self-taught designer as well as founder of the blog Penny Modern, and I just launched the Penny Modern shop. So if you're trying to redesign your kitchen or pretty much any other room in your house, you gotta check out my shop. I have a great ebook that's perfect for you if you are doing your kitchen. It's called Kitchen Designer Secret Sources, and it's a source list of all the kitchen vendors that designers don't want you to know about, but I'm spilling the beans on. So get a copy. I'm gonna link to it down below, also in the description and the comment, and let's get back to the video. Next, let's talk about drawers for a second. Now, this is something that seems really simple, but it can completely change how your entire kitchen functions. So what I found that I thought was really interesting from brands like Craftmade, which are a big cabinet maker, is a drawer within a drawer system. So using drawers to put your pots and pans is definitely on my list when I do my remodel. And you don't want to just have one giant drawer and you throw everything in. That can turn into a giant black hole, like my knife drawer here. It can get a little messy at times. But just think about if you have your pots, pans, and lids all just tossed into one giant drawer. What I thought was absolutely brilliant that I saw in a lot of luxury kitchens was this drawer-in-a-drawer system to store your pots as well as corresponding lids. So the lids go on top in the top drawer, and then the pots go on the bottom, and they're all there, all the matching ones. So you're not searching for one, and you lose your lid, and then you're like, what do I do with this pot? I don't have a lid anymore for it. You can also store things in those beautiful drawer within a drawer systems like your Tupperware as well. So you can put the lids in one, the Tupperware is in the bottom, or put your Tupperware in the bottom, and maybe you have your aluminum foil and some of your other things for packaging food leftovers in the top drawer. This is one of those upgrades that doesn't really feel that exciting like when you're hearing about it, but after you live with it, it's something that you can't live without, those drawer within a drawer systems. And once a designer starts solving those organizational issues in your kitchen with all those little upgrades, then they're gonna start doing tweaks and upgrades to adjust how you actually feel in your kitchen. And this next feature and upgrade is something that I've seen over and over again in places like Architectural Digest, as well as all over Instagram and TikTok, and that is motion activated interior cabinet lighting. And these are lighting systems from brands like Hafel, and the lights actually come on when you open your drawer or your cabinet, and they turn off automatically after you close it. It's very subtle, but it definitely is a flex, and it's gonna change how your kitchen feels because you open that cabinet up and the light comes on inside, and then suddenly it's not a jumbled mess. Everything looks nicer, everything feels nicer, and you're gonna feel like you're in a luxury kitchen. And it might even save you time because if those lights turn on when you open that cabinet, it's gonna make it easier and quicker to find something. And this is especially true at night. And it can add that beautiful ambiance to your kitchen at night. This is one of those kitchen upgrades that you didn't realize you need it until you actually have it. And if designers are willing to make a little upgrade to the inside of your cabinet to make it change how you actually feel in your kitchen, wait until you see what they do with spaces that people ignore entirely in 90% of kitchens today. I'm gonna share with you one of the smartest features that I found in any luxury kitchen, and that's something that's gonna be down below here. And I am talking about your toe kick. So what is a toe kick, first of all? So that is the piece of wood that runs underneath your cabinetry that literally sits on the ground, and it's what's between your cabinet and the ground, and it's a little space about a few inches tall. What I found is a lot of these luxury designers are installing what are called toe kick drawers. And this is what designers actually call found space. Because think about it, there is a space about 4 to 6 inches tall underneath all of your cabinet boxes that's completely going to waste. These drawers solve that. And there are firms like Normandy Remodeling that are actually designing these toe kick drawers. They're usually gonna be in your custom kitchen cabinet. Makers can design these drawers for you where you have this pull-out drawer and you can store all kinds of items in there. You can put baking sheets, cutting boards, large platters, maybe things like aluminum foil or those holiday platters that are Christmas themed cream that you only use once a year. All different kinds of things you could put in these drawers that you wouldn't have to put in other places in your kitchen. This doesn't really change how your kitchen looks because they're really hidden most of the time, but it really can change how much storage space that you have in your kitchen that's usable storage. It's especially good if you're a city dweller or living in an apartment in a high rise. And now we're gonna go into another one that's all about how you cook, but make sure you hang on because I'm gonna save that one for the end. It has over 3 million views on Instagram, so stick around for that, we're almost there. Now let's talk about a kitchen upgrade that's not just about how it looks in your kitchen, but it's also how it works, especially if you love to cook like my husband does. This is gonna be a dedicated oil and spice pullout in terms of your cabinet pullouts. And I've seen this in kitchens done by places like Studio McGee or Diva. And this is where you use every inch of space around that stove, and you have special cabinets that pull out and you can store your oils inside, which I thought was absolutely brilliant. I've definitely seen a spice rack that you pull out, but I hadn't seen an oil one before. And I also have seen some that are specifically for storing utensils as well. You don't have to have a crock with all your utensils out on your countertop or take up valuable drawer space. You can have a special drawer that's dedicated and they're all right there next to your stove. These can be used for oils. They also could be used for some spices as well. But the great thing is you can get these in a variety of sizes. So you actually can get very narrow ones if you have an odd space left in your kitchen layout. It's a great filler for that space. It's something that sounds small, like an oil rack cabinet, who cares, but it is, again, a great filler, and it's also very useful if you happen to be a huge cook. And now that we've optimized function, I did find something that designers use in terms of lights that's really going to blow your mind. But first, if you are planning that kitchen remodel, I do have a free resource for you, 100% free. It's my kitchen remodel budget worksheet. And this will help you plan your kitchen remodel. It has pretty much everything that you might need to spend money on. Download your copy for free today, and that's at pennymodern.com/kitchen, and the link is down in the description. This next one isn't just a feature, it's definitely more like a statement. And this is a special type of countertop that I've been seeing in some luxury kitchens that I've seen in places like Architectural Digest. And I am talking about backlit countertops. And this is where you actually put lighting underneath the stone of your countertop, and you use special stone that is translucent, such as quartzite or onyx. LED panels are actually installed underneath the stone surface, and they allow the entire surface to glow. And it's gonna completely transform your kitchen, especially at night. And I thought that this was an amazing idea, especially if you are a major entertainer and you love entertaining in your home, or you wanna create a lot of drama and maybe have a focal point. You could put it just in your island and have that island light up at night. How fabulous would that be? It also can almost serve as a nightlight in the evening. A lot of people leave the light on above their stove, but you could just leave the light on and have a little nightlight. If you have little ones, maybe they want to come in and get a drink of water or a snack, and there's always going to be a light on for them at night. And this is something that's going to be an absolute showstopper when you have guests over. They're going to look at that lit up, backlit countertop and just say, wait, what is that glowing? It's definitely going to stop people in their tracks, and you're going to really up level your kitchen. And if you think backlit countertops are futuristic, you've got to see this next kitchen upgrade. This next luxury kitchen upgrade is something that I found that is around your cooktop. And it really could be the future of cooktops. I don't know, maybe we're all gonna be living in the Jetsons. I'm talking about a hidden induction cooktop. There's no visible cooktop, so all this would go away, and this would just look like your countertop. So it'd be one complete countertop, and you would actually do your cooking on it. There's systems like InvisiCook as well as Gaggenau that they install these induction cooktop burners actually under the countertop material. You can cook directly on the countertop, and you just put your pot right on there and it'll boil water and do your cooking. And then when you remove the pot, it's not hot anymore. How amazing is that? You can have that very minimalist looking kitchen, and you can do all your prep and your cooking in the same area, which is again really good if you have limited counter space to work with. Maybe you're in an apartment or some kind of a high rise. Also, if you want that super clean, minimalist look, that's gonna help you getting one of these induction cooktops built right into your countertop. What's amazing about these induction cooktops is they only heat the cookware. They don't actually heat the countertop. so the surface of your counter stays safe to the touch. Now let's get to that upgrade that I told you about that got over 3 million views on Instagram. But first, if you're not subscribed, why not? It's free. Just hit that subscribe button if you like this video and got value from it. It really helps me out, and it's a way to say thanks for making this video. Okay, this is what you've been waiting for. Here is that #1 most unusual secret kitchen upgrade that only designers know about. And that's gonna be something that is for your built-in coffee station. And I'm not talking about just the coffee station. There's more. Okay, so first, picture this. You've got a built-in coffee station with beautiful pocket doors, hiding your coffee maker as well as your coffee cups. And having it built in and hidden behind doors, that's a great way to hide all your clutter. But that's not the kitchen upgrade I'm talking about. So I am talking about having this thing that I have said on this channel I do not like having in another place in your kitchen, and that is going to be having a dedicated pot filler right above your coffee maker. So yes, I know it's mind-blowing, but how useful would that be, right? I don't like pot fillers above the kitchen stove because, let's face it, then you gotta dump the water anyway and you're walking back and forth. But having a pot filler above your coffee maker, I thought was absolutely brilliant because you can fill your coffee maker with water, which you definitely have to do, and it's so convenient, and you're gonna use it every day, so the water in those pipes isn't gonna get all stale and nasty. And that way you make your coffee, you don't have to have a huge vat of boiling water that you have to deal with. I think it is a brilliant and elegant solution to what you need to have in your coffee maker and your coffee station to make it absolutely luxurious, but also highly useful. When the kitchen guy posted this on his Instagram account, it went absolutely viral. It has over 3 million views at the time of this recording. I'll actually link to it down below if you want to see the post yourself. But the comments did go crazy. So they were saying that's a $2,500 plumbing project for a $100 Keurig. But again, I thought if you're spending all this money to have a built-in beautiful coffee station, why not go that extra little step and have a place to put your water? And that's why I'm putting this as my #1 secret kitchen upgrade that I thought designers really don't tell people about, because it really takes something that you use every day and makes an elegant, beautiful solution for it. It's elegant, it's beautiful, and it has a massive wow factor. Oh, and if you want even more kitchen upgrades and ideas and inspiration to do your kitchen and make it look more beautiful, but on a budget you can afford, then you gotta watch this next video, which is all about kitchen upgrades to make your space look absolutely luxurious, and I'll see you in that next video.